Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to show you something that we briefly went over in the staff meeting last week. I know that I always like when I get as many students as possible into my intervention, but as we all know, a lot of students like to pretend like they don't have passes. So one thing we can do as teachers is to let them know they have passes and direct them to the correct place to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You want to start this right at exactly 10:20. That's when the passes go live, and they're only up for 5 minutes. So you want to get this right when that 10:20 bell rings for the end of second period. So you're going to start off here, which is the dashboard for your 5-star. You're going to click on this green little button right up here for hall passes. Under this, we want to pay attention to the students who are or have active hall passes. So we're going to go ahead and click on the active button that is right here. And this is where you can go ahead and filter by students that are in a particular class, namely your second period class, because those are the ones that are sitting in your intervention. So you go to the select my class right here, click on that, and then you're just going to select your second period class. I don't have a second period class, so I'm going to pretend that my first period class is my second period class. Click on that, and then when you scroll down, it should just show which passes are active and for which students. So for every student that has intervention pass right here, you want to say, hey, you student, go to this class. And then you just run down the list and say, hey, Johnny, you go to this room. Susie, you're going to this room. Kevin, you're going to this room. And just make sure that everybody packs their stuff up, okay? If they say they don't need it, I would just send them anyway, and the teacher will figure out what to do with them when they get there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Sam Cummings or Julianne Dickinson. And have a wonderful rest of your day.